All right, I want to show you guys the Hiplok motorcycle disc lock. A quick little unboxing here. So we're going to get this package open and show you everything that comes with it, as well as what the lock looks like. So let's see. All right. So we've got here a nice little branded carrying case. This is super nice. Will be great so that I can throw this in my backpack and won't scratch anything up or anything. So we've got our instructions. We have our little reminder tag, which is magnetic. Super nice that you can put this somewhere on your ignition or on the handlebars, somewhere you're going to see it on the grip to remind you that the lock is on there so that you can get it taken off. Then we've got 3 keys, which is nice that you have the spares. You don't have to worry about losing 1 key and then being totally out of luck. So here, let's look at the actual lock itself. And let's see. We're going to go ahead and unlock this to get it out of the packaging. Okay, there we go. So, got the lock here. So it looks like you've got this heavy-duty silicone band that wraps around and magnetizes to cover up the keyhole, which is cool. But yeah, this is super heavy-duty, obviously very well made, and pretty easy to use. You're just going to put the key in, turn it, unlock and remove it, and then push it in, turn it, and it locks up. So first impressions, obviously very heavy duty, nice serious lock that's going to be quite secure. I like the bright yellow color. To me, it being noticeable is good. That itself is going to be a bit of a deterrent, as well as for you to remind you that it's on, so you don't forget to take it off, which obviously would not be good. But this thing, I'm very excited to put this to use when I do have to park my motorcycle outdoors, somewhere public, kind of longer term, to have this to be able to make it a little more secure so somebody can't roll it up into a truck or roll it away or anything like that. So this is a very cool product and definitely worth checking out to help you secure your bike.